So hello friends, in this tutorial of Power Query in Excel, we will learn about how to transpose data in Power Query. So we will go to our sheet here. So this is our sheet and we have a data here. So I think I just make it some so it is more visible. So this is our data, which include your salesman's product sales and 2-year sales. Now if we want to convert these rows into column and these columns, like these columns, into rows, how we can do that? Like in Power Query we can use it through Transpose also. That formula is also available in Excel also, but now we are learning Power Query. So how we can do it easily in Power Query? So first of all, I will click on sales and then I will go to data and just convert my data into a table. My data is converted into a table now. When my data is converted into table, so we can see a button here in the home tab. I think I just make its size. Okay, now it's more clear to see. Okay, now we can see from home to we go to transform, and here we have a transpose. So I click on that transpose. So now our data is transposed, but the problem with this is that I just reduce its size. Now it's okay now, but the problem with this is that our here we are not able to convert our sales headings here. So if you will directly click on transpose, so we have to remove this step, and then first thing what we need to do, we go to home tab and then we have to demote our headings first of all, like these salesman, product, sales data. We have to demote them. For demoting them, you get to home tab, then I will go here and then I will press here use header as first row. So when I will do this, so our header will be our first row. After this, what we need to do, I will go to home, or then I will go to transform and then click transpose. Now our data is transposes, like we have a salesman, product, sales, everything in this way, and our name is here and product is here. Now we have to remove our this column. So for that I just click here, not clicking, we just go to home, and now again I will go there, use first row as header. So I just click that. Now our first row is header and we are able to do transpose, and now we can just close and load the data. So now our data is loaded in a new sheet, and this is all from this video. Thank you.